Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell, we're going to be doing something a little more fun. I basically did all my makeup today except my lashes because today I'm going to show you guys how I do colored lashes. I did also want to mention today's candle. This is a Magic Candle Company candle. They're a company based here in Orlando. They basically create these candles that smell very similar, if not exactly, like experiences and smells that you would have at Disney World. Today's candle is called Pineapple Whip. It is supposed to smell very similar to the Dole Whip that is served at Magic Kingdom, which we all know and love. I am not sponsored by them in any way, nor am I looking for a sponsor. They're honestly just a company that I am loving supporting, and so I'm gonna share them with you guys. On to the video. To start this out, you basically just need a pair of lashes that you don't mind doing this to. Basically, it's not gonna ruin the lashes in any way, but it is very convenient to kind of just leave them with the color on. For this video, I am going to be using the LA Colors Dramatilash 976 Diva lashes. I do actually get these at the Dollar Tree. They're perfect for this kind of just fun look. You know, they're lashes that you're not going to wear all the time, so they don't have to be super fancy. The second thing I'm going to use is this Hydra liner from Suva Beauty. This is in Space Panda, which is basically their white shade. This is basically the magic that makes all this happen because it's going to create a base on the lashes that we can then color. And then next you are just gonna need some kind of like flat dense brush. I'm using the Morphe M173. I just feel like this type of brush works better. So I'm gonna put like 2 drops of water in here, swirl this around so you get like a really creamy texture. We're just gonna stamp the lashes with this color now to just kind of create like a base. I'm gonna give this a few seconds to dry now, and we're gonna do a second coat. Now we're gonna go in with coat number 2. So now that the second coat is on, while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and basically do the same thing on my own lashes so that way they can match when I apply them. There are 2 ways to do this, and I'm gonna show you both of them. The first way is basically doing it the same way that we did with the other lashes. And the same thing as the faux lashes, you want to make sure to do 2 coats of that. The other way to do this step is using a lash primer. So the one I'm going to use today is the Covergirl Lash Blast Amplify Primer. Personally, when I do this, I do just use a primer because I feel like it's much easier to apply. It already comes with the applicator that's made for your lashes. And with this, you're going to want to do 2 to 3 coats as well. That one won't apply as white and bright as the Suva one, but it will still do the job and a lot easier, so it's kind of up to you. Now for these lashes, I did want to do a kind of like dark green kind of color, so I'm going to be using this OG Morphe palette. This is the 12P Picasso palette. They no longer make this palette. Major, unfortunately, because honestly, like, I would love a palette like this again. Morphe. I'm going to use this dark green color in the bottom with kind of a basic eyeshadow brush to apply the color. And you want to make sure to pick up a good bit of color. Do not be shy. And then I'm going to first pat it and then sweep it through the lashes. When you're doing this step, make sure to swish the lashes back and forth. Because of the other white color, they will get stuck to the plastic, and if you skip that step, then when you take them off, they will have a blank space in the middle of them. So you want to make sure to swish back and forth so that both sides are pretty covered. And next we're going to do the same thing onto our own lashes. After that, you just want to measure your lashes and trim them accordingly, just like you would with normal lashes. Depending on what color lashes you decided to go with, you could use the dark glue or the clear glue. These are pretty dark, so I'm going to go ahead and use the dark glue. And that's basically it. So as you can tell, it's actually pretty easy, although I do recommend doing it definitely before you do the rest of your face makeup, or you will go through a lot of trouble like I have today. Normally I would do it at the beginning before I do the rest of my makeup. I have also done this technique with 2 other pairs of lashes, and I did beige and hot pink, and I did get this really cute case from Amazon. I just thought it would be like a fun way to keep fun lashes. I do have this in my Amazon shop, and I'll list that all all down below. And that's basically it. So let me know if you guys are going to try this out and what color you are going to do. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends if you really like it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!